Use Zepl to collaborate with your team. Create a space for your team to store notebooks. You can invite stakeholders, both technical and non-technical, to join your new space. Create a new notebook within this space. Zepl allows you to modify the size of the container for each notebook. You may want a larger container for running a larger job. With Zepl, you can access as many resources as you need without calling IT or upgrading your laptop. Now you can see the notebook in the new space. You can also import your existing notebooks into your space so you and your team can leverage existing work. Your team can collaborate on notebooks within this space. When you share notebooks with your team, all of the dependencies will be shared too. So there's no need to deal with infrastructure discrepancies or code modifications. Your notebook will just run. Data is also shared easily and securely within Zepl. Add a data source with Zepl's reusable data connections. Connect it once to Zepl, then use it in any notebook. Your team can also access this data by logging in with their own credentials. Our secure keychain ensures that you never need to expose your credentials within a notebook. Collaborate in Zepl with the comments feature. Shorten project cycles by allowing people to give you feedback within your notebook. You can share your notebook results in several ways. Click the report mode to hide the code and just show your markdown and visualizations. Additionally, get a shareable URL of the report with Zepl's Publish feature. You can also export your charts as PNGs so that you're meeting ready.